Have you ever wondered what separates the wealthy from the rest? It's not just about luck or inheritance, it's about mindset. Today, we're diving into the three mindsets that consistently lead to wealth. Mindset number one, abundance mindset. The rich believe that there's enough wealth for everyone. They don't see money as a limited resource. Instead, they focus on creating value and contributing to the world, knowing that abundance will follow. Mindset number two, growth mindset. The wealthy embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. They're constantly seeking new knowledge, skills, and experiences to expand their horizons. They understand that success is a journey, not a destination. Mindset number three, long term vision. The wealthy don't chase quick riches. They have a long term vision and are willing to invest in their future, whether it's their education, their business, or their personal development. They understand that true wealth is built over time. Adopting this mindset is not a magic formula, but it's a powerful foundation for building wealth. Remember, it's about cultivating a positive, growth oriented attitude that attracts abundance and empowers you to achieve financial success. Start cultivating these mindsets today and watch your life transform.